Yo, what's up? It is snowing. A couple days after Christmas, snowing, and I got some problems with the Jeep. Gotta go and fix it even though it's snowing. Anyway, washer fluid. I feel like I better get my washer fluid fixed before I drive this to work tomorrow. Anyway, so I gotta show you a few things that's happened and get things fixed. Doing. Handy dandy little step stool setup. All right, I'll show you what's going on. So right there, the windshield washer hose. You can see it's missing. It's because I took it off. Here it is. This hose is a different size than that hose, and it keeps coming out of that barbed fitting right there. And I wanted to go down to the parts store and buy a smaller diameter hose, and then I remembered. Honestly, I didn't want to go down to the parts store. I remembered I had these hose clamps. Picked up these hose clamps at Harbor Freight, and they've got just the right size in here that'll fit right on that tubing. So let's see if I can get these open. That right there will fit on my tubing just perfect. Alright, this size of hose clamp will fit on there just perfectly. So I am just going to patch that together with this bigger hose, clamp it on there, and I'll kind of explain a couple of things that was happening. Anyway. I'm a firm believer in, that tubing's way smaller. Well, crap, hopefully it doesn't pop off of this. You know what, we'll try it anyway, see if I can suck it down tight enough. I don't think that's gonna pull down tight enough. Seemed like it was this end that was coming off anyway, not this end. I don't think that will cinch down tight enough, but we'll give it a shot. I might have to go buy different tubing anyway. Nope, there's no way. Well, of course. This is how I mechanic, by the seat of my pants. Everything I learned right here on YouTube, and you can too. All right, let's tighten up this one. I think this was the one that was coming off on me anyway. You know what? Let's put that on there. See how easy that popped off? Got my mechanic degree from YouTube University. I hope I can help you guys get your certificate. And maybe YouTube University isn't the best university to go to because that hose clamp is the wrong one again. Oh, no, that bit down, we'll go for it. So what I had going on here is a couple weeks ago, auto start stop quit working. I got auto start on this, and in the wintertime that sure is nice. The Jeep would run for about 10 seconds and then shut off. Well, this hose had come off right here, and I noticed my battery over there had a ton of corrosion on it, and my washer fluid was spraying on that. Anyway, so I got this fixed. Wintertime right now in the snow. I think I'm gonna need the washer fluid to go to work tomorrow. So I got that clamped on. It should avoid this spraying on my auto start stop, and now my auto start stop works. I just tested it out, so kind of fixed two things at once. Anyway, I did not want to go and buy more tubing down at the parts store, so I'm a firm believer in use what you got. Well, let's give it a shot, see if it fixed it.
Ha ha!